Good morning, this is Yukti Agrawal of class 10th B, and today I am going to do an art integration project of physics on the uses of concave mirror. This project is given by our physics teacher Mr. Devendra Puri Goswami sir, and I really want to thank him for giving me this project. Thank you. So let's first see what is a mirror. A mirror is an object that reflects an image. Light that bounces off a mirror will show an image of whatever is in front of it when focused through the lens of the eye or a camera. Mirrors reverse the direction of the image in an equally at opposite angle from which the light shines upon it. Now let's see what are the types of mirror. There are two types of mirror. First is plane mirror and second one is spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors are the flat surface that produces an erect visual image of a real object where front and back are reversed. And spherical mirrors are curved mirror formed by a part of a hollow glass sphere with a reflecting surface. Spherical mirrors are of two types, convex mirrors and concave mirrors. Today we are going to talk about concave mirrors. Concave mirrors. A concave mirror has the reflecting surface that caves inwards. Concave mirrors converge light to one prime focus point. Therefore, they are called converging mirrors. The image formed by concave mirrors vary in size depending on the position of the object. The image formed by it can be erect or diminished, real or virtual, magnified or inverted, or of the same size. For example, mirrors in automobile headlights, torchlights, etc. Here are the formation of image, size and position of the concave mirror. Image. Concave mirrors can form inverted and real images and also virtual and erect images. If we can talk about size, then size can be smaller, larger or of the same size depending on the position of the object. And if about position, then it depends on the position of the object in the case of concave mirror. So now let's see the uses of concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used in shaving mirrors. Concave mirrors are most commonly used in shaving because of their reflective and curved surface. During shaving, the concave mirror forms an enlarged and erect image of the face when the mirror is held closer to the face. It is also used in ophthalmoscope. Concave mirrors are used in optical instruments such as ophthalmoscope. Ophthalmoscope consists of a concave mirror with a hole in the center. The doctor focuses to the small hole from behind the concave mirror while a light beam is directed into the pupil of the patient's eyes. This makes the retina visible and makes it easy for doctors to check. The third use of concave mirror is in astronomical telescopes. Concave mirrors are also used in making astronomical telescopes. In an astronomical telescope, a concave mirror of a diameter of 5 meters or more is used as the objective. In headlights, also concave mirrors are used. Concave mirrors are used in headlights of automobiles and motor vehicles, torchlights, railway engines, etc. as reflectors. The light source is placed at the focus of the mirror, so after reflecting, the light rays travel over a huge distance as parallel light beams of high intensity. Large concave mirrors are used in solar furnaces to focus sunlight to produce heat. They are also used in solar ovens to collect a large amount of solar energy in the focus of the concave mirror for heating, cooking, melting metals, etc. In the dental mirrors, also concave mirrors are used. The concave mirrors help dentists to see the interior mouth or teeth acutely. Now in microscope, a concave mirror is used as a base. This helps the mirror to concentrate the light passed through it to make sure the surroundings of the object are dark. By this method, we can view the object or specimen clearly. So these were some of the uses of concave mirrors. Thank you.